Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video, we will unbox the Tecno Spark Go 2023. And guys, and this is a new budget phone from Tecno, which is costing around 37,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have a 64 GB of internal storage with 4 GB of RAM. And the color I have is the blue color. This phone is made in China, not in Pakistan. So here's a box of the Tecno Spark Go 2023 edition. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. So this phone has a 6.6 inch 720p plus display. We have a 13 megapixel AI dual cameras on the back. We have large memory. We have 5000 mAh battery size with USB Type-C support. We have a fingerprint scanner on the back as well as a trendy design with a 5 megapixel selfie camera on the front. Without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox the Tecno Spark Go. And this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio 822 SoC, which is a really old and very slow SoC. But anyways, again we have this remove seal, which is inspired from iPhones. So now let's remove that slowly. It feels very satisfied. So now let's open this box like this. So we have another box. Now let's open this box and let's see how this the Tecno looks like in the blue color. So here is our device, Tecno Spark Go 2023 edition. So now let's out the phone from this plastic, and as you can see, here is the blue color of the Tecno Spark Go looks like. As you can see on the back, we have a matte finish. Also we have diamond cut design. On the back we have a dual cameras. As you can see in the camera layout, overall it is very big. We also have our cameras, LED flash, fingerprint scanner on the back. As you can see, the location feels really comfortable in my opinion, and the sides is completely flat, as you can see. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and the device feels very light in hand, although we have 5000 mAh battery size. So here is our warranty card. We also got a soft silicone case. As you can see, here is our adapter, and guys, and this is a 5 volt with a 2 ampere, and guys, and this is a 10 watt normal adapter, so it does not have any fast charging. We have our SIM ejection tool, and this is our USB Type-C cable. So nice to see we are indeed have a USB Type-C, not micro USB. Don't have any headphones, but the space it is available for headphones. So now let's put all these things to the side and also look at the Tecno Spark Go. So now let's see the physical overview of this phone. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, headphone jack. So on this side we have our SIM tray. So guys, you can see, and this is a triple slot, so you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full first SIM slot. So on the top we have nothing. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button. Again we have a fingerprint scanner on the back. We have a dual cameras. We have 13 megapixel main with a 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor. So overall, and the device feels really light in hand. The back it is little curved, so it feels very comfortable in the hand of the Tecno Spark Go. So this phone has a 6.6 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 60 Hz refresh rate. Also we have water drop notch. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. Guys, here is the first boot of the iOS version 12, which is based on Android 12. So Tecno Spark Go 2023 is powered by MediaTek Helio 822 SoC, which is not really powerful and new SoC. So you can see it's taking a lot of time to go into the home screen. So here is a notification area looks like. As you can see, it feels very slow. Here all the modes we have on this phone. Let me decrease the brightness a little bit. Display looks really decent. So now let's go to the my phone. So this phone is running on Android 12. Also we have Helio 822 SoC. Also we have 64 GB of internal storage, and out of 64 GB of internal storage we have 14 GB it is already used. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. This one has fingerprint scanner on the back. As you can see, the fingerprint scanner feels really fast, not really fast, and when you open apps you will see a delay. As you can see, because of the Helio 822. Also, this phone is running on full-fledged iOS. I wish that we have a Go version of iOS, so which makes this phone more faster. So now let's look at the camera. And now let's see how the camera UI looks like. We have 1x and 2x, no ultra wide lens. So the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. We also have a time lapse, and we have beauty mode, portrait mode, AR shot. No night mode on this phone. So now let's look at the front facing camera. This phone has a 5 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera for a 5 megapixel looks really decent. And the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps, as you can see. And on the front we also have a portrait mode. I am expecting a more powerful SoC on this phone. It will get the job done. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 10 watt normal charging. So this one should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life without any problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.